Hello guys, today we prepare the Japanese cheesecake, or also known like cotton cake, because it's very soft. And we have special guests, my friends from Japan. They will test it for us. So see you later for the testing, after the intro. For the Japanese cheesecake you need 250 grams of cheese, the spread one, the one soft, 140 grams of powdered sugar. I divided 70 because 70 grams I will use with the whites and 70 with the yolk. 6 eggs, 60 grams of flour, 20 grams of corn flour, 100 ml of milk, 60 grams of butter, 1 lemon. We will use half of the juice plus the skin, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of cremor of tartar. I hope to pronounce it in the right way. So now we take the whites, 70 grams of sugar and the cremor of tartar, and we whisk with electric whisk together until it becomes very foam. After we put apart, we mix all the other ingredients together. When they are prepared, the dough and the whites, we mix together. Always be careful to do very slow from the bottom to the top, mixing like this. If not, everything fall down. And after we will put in the oven, but I'll show you later. Okay, our dough is ready. I mix everything together. It's still very fluffy. Now you take a baking pot, you oil the baking pot, and after I put baking paper all around and also on the bottom. We should cook our cake at bain marie. I hope to pronounce it in the right way. So to avoid that this pot is in contact with the other, I put some stick under this. Now I put the dough inside. After I add the water, I put in the oven preheated at 200 Celsius degree. After 15-16 minutes, we put the temperature at 140 Celsius degree and we cook other 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, always with the oven closed, remember, after 30 minutes we can open the oven, remove the pot with the water and put again the cake in the oven. The oven should be off. We put the cake again inside and we leave the door a little bit open. In this way the cake should remain compact, not falling down. After 30 minutes in the oven, that the cake will be cold, we can put the cake in the fridge and tomorrow we can taste it. After 19 minutes at 200 Celsius degree plus 31 minutes at 140 Celsius degree plus 30 minutes in the oven off, our cake is ready. Now I remove from the pot, I put in a dish, upon one dish, and after we put in the fridge. Tomorrow morning we will test it. Very very soft. In English.
Buono. It's delicious. It's yummy. Oishii. Spectacular.
Mamma mia, very very good, very soft. So they also prove we make a perfect cheesecake. So guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos. Bye bye!
Bye. Bye.